Hi guys, it's Sandy. So I just got home and I did get my Lucky bag today from BeautyLish. So I wanted to unbox it with you. But I cheated already and I know what's in there. I'm super impatient and I can never wait. So let's unwrap this for you guys. So the little tag, first of all, it came in a box, which I already threw away, with this wrapping paper and this little tag that says, Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2018, hashtag BeautyLish. Cute. It's as thick as the good kind of wrapping paper. So that's what it looks like. That's the print on it. It's really cute. Setting that aside, I got 6 items. And I'll go with I was most excited to see in the box. So the first item that I went for, that I grabbed, was the Wayne Goss number 10 brush, and it's the cheek brush, and it retails for $38. And I own, I already own some Wayne Goss brushes. They're really soft. They're some of my favorites. Most of the brushes that I own from Wayne Goss are the black-haired ones. This is my first white-haired brush. It's super soft. It kind of looks like my Wayne Goss number 2 brush. Sorry, this one's all dirty. It has the same shape. Maybe a little bit more narrow. But that could just be because it was in that little baggie. Who knows? Really excited about that. The next thing is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lip in the shade Dolly Bird. Never had any Charlotte Tilbury products. Oh, that retails for $34. And it's a really pretty, like, nude pinky shade. I don't know if you could tell. That little bit in the barrel. I'll swatch it for you guys. Ooh, that's really dry-ish. That's what it looks like. It's creamy. Sorry, not dry, I guess. It's creamy. It's thick and it's creamy. I'm not used to liquid lipsticks being like that. I'm used to them being liquidy. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. The next thing is a Cover FX Anti-Aging Primer. Here's the box. It retails for $38. I think it's got like a purpley sheen to it based on the little line here. Are my lights too bright? There we go. I have a few, not a few, I've tried a couple Cover FX primers, and they were nice, so I look forward to using that. The next thing is the Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray. I heard a lot of good things about Oribe, but I've never personally tried anything from them, so this will be a nice collection addition to my collection of hair products. The next thing is the Jouer Skinny Dip Collection Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $40. I'm sorry, I didn't say how much this retails for. The Oribe Wave and Shine Spray retails for $22, and it's the 75 milliliter. So back to the Skinny Dip palette. Retails for $40. I wasn't as excited about this. It looks pretty, but I have a lot of shimmer shades already, so maybe that's why I wasn't like, ooh, you know. Comes with a nice mirror. These are the shades. We'll see how they perform. I might actually, you know, be really, really happy about it. This Starlight Silver shade looks really, really pretty. Can't wait to play with those. Should I swatch right now? I'm not going to swatch right now. We'll do that later. I'll play with it later. Next, oh, the very last thing is this Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Mask. It's just, you know, one of those face masks. And I couldn't find them individually on the BeautyLish site, but they come in a pack of 5 for $60. So, you know, 60 divided by 5. It turned out to be $12. So, 12 bucks for this face mask. So altogether, my lucky bag came out to be $184, which is really nice. It more than doubled. It's more than double what I paid for it, which is $75. So I'm happy. I'm happy that I ended up getting one of these. I look forward to getting one next year. Maybe, hopefully, I'll be able to get the extra large bag if they do it that way. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you later. Bye.